Hello and welcome to another airsoft review by me, Toby. This time I'll tell you a little about this Uzi. It's made from Double Eagle and they call it a M35, but that's just a manufacturer name, if you can say it like this. Yeah. You might notice the top panels isn't there. It's because the gun broke. But then I put it back together, but I couldn't really get the top panels to fit. So you can just see what's going on in it right now. Just do that, yeah. And it's got a fore grip and a rear grip. Yes, you can take this front thing off, like so. Yeah. And you can put it back on. This is a laser sight. It doesn't work anymore, so it's just there. And this is the trigger guard, and you got the magazine release. And the magazine contains around 18 BBs, something like that. And the BBs are, it shoots 0.12 gram BBs, but I only have 0.2 gram BBs. So, yeah. Here the magazine is, you can see the spring in there. You take this thing, slide it all the way down, then it will lock. You can put the BBs in, and you can then press this little button like that, and the BBs will be, yeah, under pressure from the spring. So I'll just do a shooting test. Okay, now we're ready for the shooting test. This is gonna be our target. I've already shot on it. It's just 2 layers of paper. And when you're shooting with airsoft guns, you should always use eye protection. Even a pair of goggles or a mask or something. Okay, and just load the gun with some 0.2 gram BBs. And oh yeah, something I forgot to tell you, it shoots, yeah, what does it shoot? It shoots around, yeah, what is that? 10 FPS, I guess. It's pretty old actually, so it's probably just 100 FPS now. Holy fuck! Okay, we're getting ready to plug it in and make it up. Now it's gonna. Okay, let's see if the 0.2 gram BBs can penetrate from very short distance. How about an inch? No success. Okay. And it couldn't from that distance, so it cannot from this distance either, so we just try the sides. Oh, this one is moved. Got it like that. Okay, getting ready. Woohoo! So, that's stuck in there now. So, guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment.